Hey guys, in this video, I'll give you a breakdown of which Adobe software is best for you depending on your industry or job title. If you're wondering where to start or which software to start with, then hopefully this video will make things a little bit clearer for you. All right, so for graphic designers, all the graphic designers out there, your best bet and your best softwares to start with is Adobe Photoshop, Adobe InDesign, and Adobe Illustrator. So if you're a graphic designer, those are the softwares that you'll be using or needing. Because you'll need Adobe Illustrator for vectors and logos, you'll need Photoshop for mockups and photo editing, and Adobe InDesign for PDFs and reports and brochures. All right, so for my content creators out there, you're gonna need Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Premiere Pro. So Adobe Photoshop would be great to use for thumbnails. Thumbnails for your YouTube videos or Instagrams or Reels or TikTok videos. So Photoshop is excellent for that. And of course, for creating videos, Adobe Premiere Pro. So if you want to create TikTok or Reels or YouTube video, then you will need Adobe Premiere Pro. All right, so for my social media managers, any social media managers out there, you're going to need Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, and perhaps Adobe Premiere Pro if you're also doing social media in video format. So for social media graphics, you can go either way with Adobe Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator, and it's completely up to you which is your preference. And of course, if you're doing video content, then Adobe Premiere Pro. And then finally, for the photographers out there, so for the photographers, I absolutely recommend Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Lightroom. Now, I've personally opened Adobe Lightroom perhaps once or twice, so I don't really use it as I'm not a photographer, but I heard incredible things about Adobe Lightroom, and you can just change and edit colors on a batch of photos in one go, so it's incredible. And of course, Adobe Photoshop for, editing wrinkles and under eyes and removing unwanted logos and spots and random people in the background. And I actually teach all of this in my Adobe Photoshop class. Right, so I hope this is a little bit clearer. I actually have classes on each of this software if you decided to go one way or the other. So if you're a graphic designer or a content creator or a social media manager or a photographer, then there you go. Now, I would love to hear which Adobe software is more useful to you and in which industry you are. Let's get to know each other a bit better and let me know which one is your favorite software and what you use. And perhaps you use a combination of completely different softwares. So I would love to hear from you. And as always, I'm Kate Silver. And as always, it's been a pleasure and I'll see you soon.